Alright, got a mod going on here. We got the Ikon Motorsports Rear Diffuser. So, I like this one because it's not really too aggressive on the slots on the back there. You do have to drill the holes though. It comes with marks for the holes, but they're not actually punched through. So I got my buddy Matt helping me out, taking off the old one. So we're gonna give this a shot.
Enough to hold in place.
So once you get there's screws along the middle, and then two what are they on the side? That just the pins. The pins. Yeah. So you get a little pry tool to take them out. 4 bolts there, and then this I just pulled off from the corner here. And
find a corner that gives first.
Yeah, find a corner that gives, and then you just kind of got to pull back, and then these pop out of that guide line right there. So it's really pretty easy. Now these clips are a little bit different than what came on the Ikon one. So that's what it looks like on the Ikon. So these are single piece clips, and that's like a 3P, like there's 2 guides on the side, on the edge, and then a clip in the middle. So I'm hoping we don't have any trouble with that, but we'll give it a shot. So the stock one has more clips on it. It has actually twice as many clips, but they're smaller clips than on the Ikon one. So they're in the same position, but the Ikon one just skips a clip. So they're thicker, so it should hopefully grab enough. We'll see what it looks like. In case you were interested, that's what it looks like behind the diffuser. Little gap there with the trunk underneath. But a lot of space right there. Little secret hiding spot. You can hide your contraband in there. All right, so it fits pretty nice, but when you line these up, you have to give them a nice little
heavy push.
Yeah.
Maybe not a bang, but more of a heavy push.
Yeah. But once we made sure that the holes were lined up underneath before we started pushing in the top. So really pretty easy, very easy mod. Can't really see it too good, so there's the finished product. Really went in very easy. About what, Matt, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
So I got this on eBay. It's Ikon Motorsports, and it was $169 with free shipping. Very easy install, about 15 minutes. So far I recommend it. I mean, we'll see how it holds up. But very cool. Alright, so this is Matt from LB 3711, and this is his Daytona 2018 17, and he has got some awesome lights and light show on this. Just the paint alone on there is amazing. But he's got the LEDs around there. He's got projectors.
Now the color changing.
Color changing. And he's got LEDs up there. LEDs in the grill.
You can't see them right now.
Can't really see them too good, but yeah, there you go. You can see them down there.
It glows at night.
Yeah, it looks really good at night. So he's got all the controllers and stuff under here.
The 3D cover.
Got the cover, aluminum cover.
Powder coated.
and a switch to turn them all off and on here. But you can also,
It's a two-way switch.
yeah,
One way that it is now is for on all the time.
yeah,
Flip it the other way, it's only on with the key.
okay, all
So
right,
I don't kill my battery like I have.
right, right. And so you have it. So you have 4 controllers now.
Yes.
4 controllers.
One for the sea light,
Yep.
one for the demon eye, one for the scoop,
Yep.
and one for the grill.
So each one can be controlled differently.
Yep. And any color.
But all with one app. They just show up at different controllers on the app.
Diode Dynamics.
Diode Dynamics.
App. It's all Diode Dynamics stuff,
Yeah.
except for the grill LEDs are by another company, but it's all controlled by the
By
Diode Dynamics electronics.
Controllers. Okay. So it's all Bluetooth and.
Yep, Bluetooth. One app does it all.
Look at that.
Their headlights were fully optioned out from Retro Shop. They have upgraded clear protector, so you can see it's clear and etched, but it's clear compared to a stock like
Yeah.
your car. It's cloudy.
Yeah. Yep.
Painted to match. The sea lights are RGB white and amber, so they are also my turn signal with besides this.
Besides that one. Okay.
And then the,
Oh, so the sea lights turn with the turn signal.
yep.
Yeah.
I'll show you.
And they turn. They go yellow with that. Yep. Look at that. That's awesome.
So I have
Wow.
much better turn signal light.
Oh yeah. And then as soon as you turn them off, it just goes back to the other program. That is awesome.
Yeah.
What's the RS mean?
Retro Shop?
Retro
This
shop.
was his personal set.
Oh, okay.
I got it off of his car. He gave it to me for a good deal.
Nice. So and this is all American Brothers stuff, right?
Yep. All the purple stuff is all American Brothers.
That's
everything.
nice.
All I have to do is get a catch can to
Yeah.
finish it off.
Yep. Very
They're
cool.
even now selling this and this. I'm like, oh no.
Oh, in the
yeah.
colored
They
matched?
just posted that they have this now and they have this cover.
Nice.
Yeah.
That'll look good on there. Very nice.